Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-remedy Sanguinaria can. Full name Sanguinaria canadensis. Mind here that I will refer this name of the medicine as Sanguinaria only throughout the video. Sanguinaria means Sanguinaria can or Sanguinaria canadensis, all the same. Common name bloodroot, source plant, vegetable kingdom. Therapeutic uses: asthma, breast affection, chest affection, headache, dyspepsia, menstrual disorder, rheumatism, vomiting, whooping cough, etc. etc. What are the spheres of action of Sanguinaria? It acts specially on mucous membrane of respiratory tract and vasomotor system. Hot or chilly patient, chilly. Diathesis, tubercular. Miasm, sore is in the backdrop. Constitution, being an acute remedy, this is of not much important. Mental and physical generals of Sanguinaria. Highly chilly patient, very much affected by cold, even gets affected during change of weather. A right-sided remedy. Vasomotor troubles as seen in circumscribed redness of cheeks. Circumscribed redness of cheeks. Specially noted in afternoon in case of respiratory diseases. Congestion of blood to head, chest, etc. and flashes of heat with pulsations. Burning sensation especially in soles and palms during climacteric period. It is also seen in sulfur, medullarium, pulsatilla, chamomilla. Note this, this is the burning sensation in the feet and palms, soles and palm. Climacteric period, no, climacteric period means the period when women's menses ceases naturally. That is called climaxis, and that in that period this is mainly seen, burning sensation of soles and pain. Periodic sick headache and climacteric headache relieved by sleep. Rheumatism of right arm and shoulder. These are very much specific things, but very important for this particular Sanguinaria. Rheumatism of right shoulder and arm and shoulder. Very offensive odor of breath, it's technically called halitosis, and sputa. Even subjects themselves can feel it. The subject themselves can feel that his breath is very bad type. Sink or faint feeling from scent of flowers. See, this is the peculiar symptom. From the scent of flower, the patient goes to faint. This is called USP. USP means this is unnatural and strange and peculiar. This is something unforeseen thing. Unnatural thing. Can anybody go to fainting from scent of flowers? No, but this is possible sometimes. That's why it is called USP. Strange, peculiar and uncommon. Not common symptoms. Uncommon, strange, peculiar symptoms. Pain increases, decreases with sun. That is, pain started with the morning and it goes on increasing. Then with the setting of sun, the pain subsides. Sudden cessation of catarrh of respiratory tract followed by diarrhea. Polyp in nose and uterus. Fungal infection. Irritable mores. Grumbling attitude. Lassitude. Indisposed to take any physical or mental efforts. What are general modalities of Sanguinaria? It is worse from periodically, weekly or fortnightly, with sun. With sun means as the sun rises, the problem also rises, such as headache. As the sun just sets towards evening, this problem also sets in the evening, such as headache. At night, aggravation. Climacteric period. Scent, from scent, odor, from jar, motion, touch, from sweet, raising arms. Better from sleep. Lying on back, left side, after vomiting, passing flutters, in cool air after taking shower things. Head symptoms Sanguinaria. Pains over right eye or ascending from acciput moves to settle over right eye. Ascending from occiput, this area is occiput. From occiput, pain arises and settles over the right eye. Occipital pain like a flash of lighting. Headache or hemicrania increases decrease with sun. Veins of temple distended. Headache better after sleep, vomiting or passing of profuse urine. Climacteric period, climacteric headache. There is headache during climacteric period. Climacteric period, you know, is the period when a lady suffers from permanent cessation of menstruation. That is called climacteric period. During that period, some headache comes. Various types. So one headache is repeats after each 7 days. Then this is the medicine. Vertigo works from looking up as if a ball striking in head when talking, as of a painful tight band around head. Eye symptoms of sanguinaria: burning in eyes, eyeballs painful while moving, heart swelling over eyebrow, hot lacrimation with coryza. Coryza is nasal dripping or nasal discharges. With the nasal discharge, hot lacrimation with coryza. Ear symptoms of sanguinaria: burning in ears, earache with headache, painfully sensitive to sound in climaxis. That is, this symptom is also more pronounced in climacteric period of the ladies. Nose symptoms of sanguinaria: pain at the root of the nose, coryza stops, then diarrhea starts. Nasal polyps. This is a picture. I am giving this picture so that you can, while looking at the patient or you're inspecting the patient, you can understand that this is nasal polyp. Rose colds with subsequent asthma. Rose cold means actually hay fever. With subsequent asthma, sensitive to odors, lose or perverted sense of smell. Face symptoms of sanguinaria: redness and burning of cheeks. I've already shown it. Radiating neuralgia in upper jaw, better from kneeling down and pressing the head firmly over the floor. Fullness and tenderness behind angle of jaw. Mouth symptoms of sanguinaria: burn, feeling in tongue and palate. Anterior tongue look like red beef. Sweet thing tastes bitter. Third symptom of sanguinaria: right side sore, swollen. Pains to ear and chest, burning sensation worse from eating sweets, dryness of throat in fingers, stomach sensation. Symptoms of sanguinaria: crave spices, aversion to butter, nausea with salivation, worse from sneezing and blowing nose, better from eating, followed by urticaria, spitting of biles, gastroduodenal catarrh. Stomach pain radiating to right shoulder. Abdomen symptoms of sanguinaria: tension in epigastrium. Now, epigastrium is a region in the abdomen. You know, in clinical medicine, the abdomen, this is the abdominal portion which is shown in this way. This abdominal portion has been divided into 9 quadrants, and 9 quadrants: upper 3, middle 3, lower 3. Upper 3 is right hypochondrium, left hypochondrium, epigastric. This epigastric is the actually epigastrium. Same thing, all hypochondrium or hypochondriac region or only hypochondrium. This is umbilical region. This is right lumbar region. This is left lumbar region. This is left iliac region. This is right iliac region, and this is hypogastric region or hypogastrium. So these names are important for to study the doctor's prescription. So you are in a chamber. Your patient has come with a prescription from other doctor. The other doctor may give reference to this, that he has a growth in right lumbar region. So you must know what is right lumbar region. This is the right lumbar region. Flatulent distension with escape of flatus from vagina, jaundice, cancer of rectum. See, it is, though it is called a acute remedy, but yet it sums starting of cancer. If it is given, it can arrest that thing. It can arrest that thing. Urinary symptoms of sanguinaria: urine dark yellow with jaundice. Clear copious urine passes frequently. Trouble more at night. Female genital symptoms of sanguinaria: climacteric disorders, especially flashes of heat and fetid acrid leukorrhea, soreness under right nipple, menses offensive, profuse, uterine polyps, mammy sore, and enlarged climaxes. Note this is the uterine cavity, part of the cavity is shown here, and these are the uterine polyp from endometrium. Polyp from endometrium, and this is short mammy. Respiratory symptoms of sanguinaria: dry cough from tickling behind sternum. Must sit up in bed. Better from passing flutters up and down. Expectoration tough, rusty colored, purulent. Worse feeling after expectoration. After expectoration, worse feeling. No better feeling. Burning in chest as of a hot steam extending to abdomen along with cough. Cough after influenza or whooping cough. Cough returns after catching fresh cold every time. That change of weather. In the starting, we have noted, we have talked about it. The patient catch cold from every change of weather. That thing. Pain in the right chest to shoulder. Pneumonia, TB, asthma. Every serious disease in the initial stage can be nipped in the bud by this particular medicine, sanguinaria 30. Or if it is just a subacute stage, then 200 can be given. Extremity symptoms of sanguinaria: cutting pain or stiffness in right deltoid. Worse from raising or turning arm. Rheumatism of right shoulder and left hip joint. Pain in shoulder, worse at night. Pain in bone near surface, periosteum bone. Neuritis, better from touching the part. Burning of palms and soles, worse from covered. At climaxes, palm wrinkled. Aching and swelling of ball of right thumb. Pain in right arm, better from swinging to and fro. Dry skin. Skin symptoms of sanguinaria: dry jaundiced, that is skin, dry jaundiced, acne with scanty menses, prickly heat spreading over body. Fever symptoms sanguinaria: flashes of heat rising to face and head with headache, sweat, burning, scanty, that is sweat, scanty. Complementary: antium tart and phosphoricum. Related medicine: belladonna, phosphorus. A few guiding pointer all must remember as to sanguinaria. That is, if you can remember minimum these 5-6 points, you can remember sanguinaria. This much easy. Highly chilly patient, right-sided remedy. Circumscribed redness of cheeks. Burning sensation in soles and palms. It is also seen in sulfur, medullarium, pulsatilla, camomilla. Periodic headache begins in the morning, increases during day, lasts till evening, or headache starts in occiput, ascends to vertex, and settles over right eye, or climacteric headache returns every 7th day. Now, beside on the right hand side, there is a picture showing occiput and vertex. Please note it. And with this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. I will just remember one thing regarding jaundiced skin. Jaundice has got some special meaning, and very often we look for jaundice in the eye or in nail bed, but you can see jaundice on the skin also. Look here, this leg, one can see it is yellowish. It is actually jaundiced skin. So jaundiced skin can be seen anywhere over the body. Thanks for listening and viewing. Any problem, please write down in the comment section. I will certainly respond.